ability to get outside of your network. That's why it's a progression in that manner. Okay. Oh, and by the way, we talked about ARP tables. CLD would be wrong. Okay. And what I've just done is called up my local ARP table. So there is the resolution of a logical address to a physical address for every machine my computer is currently aware of. If I were to sit here and ping everybody in the room, this would add up. Okay? And notice that each of them says dynamic. That means I learned this by traffic flowing through my machine. I didn't go and code them in. You can put static resolutions in your ARP table, which will make resolution really fast, but if the IP to MAC address ever changes, you're hosed. So it's fine for a server or a router or something where the address will never change. You don't ever want to put a host address in this way. Okay, that being said, hey, we did that already, didn't we? Oh, by the by, okay? When it wants to find 10110, it will first go look for 10110. Then understanding that it's subnetted, then it will go look for a reference to 10100. Then it will go look for 10, and if it can't find that, it'll look for a default gateway. And if a gateway hasn't been programmed, it'll throw it away. Okay? This is precedent. This is route selection precedent. And so, if I was going to that host, first I'll look for the total network address, 10110. If that record's gone, I'll look for 10110. Can't find that, I'll go back to 10000, which still won't give me a resolution. So I'll go look for the default gateway. I don't have a default gateway selected, so ultimately, message would be dropped. Remember, the logic of a router is if I can't find a reason to send it somewhere, kill it. Okay? Having fun yet tonight? There's just a little bit to know here. Default route, aka gateway of last resort. It'll be called both in the curriculum. It's the I don't know where else to go path. And the logic being I'm going to send it to this guy in hopes he knows where it is. And if he doesn't, hopefully he's got a default gateway and the next guy will know where it is. Until I'm going to die because my time to live expires. So what we've added here is we've still got our 10 network, we've still got 1 and 2, we've still got the directly connected network. And now, S is static, which means somebody hard-coded this in. 0000/0, send it to the next router, which is that next hop interface, right? Why is that a valid network address for the default gateway?
Wild cards.
The backup?
No. What does a router do?
It,
And stuff. And if you AND it against a subnet mask of 0.0.0.0, what will every network resolve to?
0.
0.0.0.0. What's the reference network? 0000. So if it didn't match that or that, it will automatically match that and get forwarded to the next router. That's the function of the default route. At which point the next router will look for whatever it is, 10115 or whatever it is. Okay? If you want security and you don't want people to get out of your network, don't configure gateways. And there's literally no way to fix that if you want to try to get to the interneters. All right. Want some caffeine?
Sure.
Let's do some caffeine.